At Westside Family Dentistry, we're going to offer you the best possible dental care for you and your family. I guarantee you that. We want to know our patients. I think that separates us a little bit from other places. So to me, the patient-centered practice is really what we strive for here at Westside.
And I think our practice philosophy is basically to treat all of our patients just like it was our own family.
A large part of what we do, and I think what can be lost a lot of times, is building that personal relationship with somebody and gaining their trust. And I think that we build great relationships here, and I think ones that are going to last for a long time.
It's easy to come in here. You don't have to be nervous to come in here. After you've been once, you're like, oh, okay, I'm happy going there.
They go above and beyond to please you and make sure you're happy with the results that you get.
I'd come up here even if I didn't have an appointment, so.
The atmosphere around here is very professional. And, I think our quality of care here is better than anywhere. We want to make sure when the patient leaves, they're as happy as we can get them.
I want to treat you just like you were my mother. I want to take care of you and you have the best care possible.
I think we all just really care about our work, and we have just such a fantastic team here. Everybody's on the same page with the same goal. It's just a nice, inviting place to be.
It's very personal touch, and they really care about you. And I'm serious when I'm saying this. At least come in and talk to them.
I'd say come somewhere you can be comfortable, come somewhere that everyone welcomes you, and like I said, it's easy to come in.
This is the place to go because they're great people to be around, and there's always a good result out of it.
I think that's what sets us apart. The quality of care and the staff that we have at Westside is just great, so I don't think you can find it anywhere else. I may be a little partial, but I really believe that.